Hi everyone, and welcome to another video today. And this is Missyblackpearl, and I'm just thinking today is the day after all these videos here and there to chit chat a little bit. So I would really like to thank everybody so much for the support you've been showing me through the past weeks and month. Finally, it's like my channel has started growing, and the fact that it's been starting to see some changes is because, one, I watched a lot of video out there. I've been spending a lot of time watching videos on YouTube how to grow my channel, and I just collected some different information from different YouTubers how you can grow your channel. It's so hard to get specific information on how to grow your channel. It's just picking one information from one to another one, because people are growing their channel different ways, and it's not the way other people, the way they count on how to grow their channel is the same way you're gonna have the same results. So I've been working a lot. I think I haven't been taking it seriously really since I had my YouTube channel. I opened my YouTube account, and the only thing I used to do most of the time, I used to watch videos. I like watching music and DIY projects, whatever people are doing, something really interesting. Something about anything about website, because I have my website as well. I wanted to learn more how to make my website work, get more views and all this stuff. But I didn't have the courage really to start really doing my own stuff until this year. Last year, when the epidemic really hit hard, and most of the time people at home, you got, okay, for me, I was not bored because I do so a lot, but I didn't have the courage to make videos, to set them online, because I thought, okay, if you're making videos, you have to be really perfect on what you do, perfect on your video, perfect in editing on the let me tell you, girls and boys and everybody, I will tell you one thing: I don't really know how to edit that much videos. I just make sure most of the time, like, I don't change a lot, anything, almost anything. If I take a video, normally I just take a video in a certain time or minutes, and then I just watch it again, and I think, okay, it's okay, and well, I just upload it. So normally, the way the epidemic was going on, and now it's like hitting again back in Germany. We're in Germany, and it's really hitting back. And for me, as a sewer, I like sewing. I've been sewing a lot, as you can see on my background. I've been sewing a lot, so many years. And I thought to myself, wow, why don't you just do the sewing thing? And I love cooking as well, and I cook every day, lunch, whatever, anytime I do cook. So I thought to myself, why don't you just combine these things together in a channel to show people your menus and your own sewing here and there, what you do. Actually, you don't have to be perfect. I mean, somebody has to start from somewhere. So it is fun for me. I love what I do, and I want other people to see that whatever, anything you love, you do, just make sure you share with others. You don't have to be perfect. Nobody's perfect in this world. Everybody has corners and whatever we call it. And I mean, just do show people what makes you, makes you happy. I have a lot of stuff I've been sewing, and I really regret not starting really early doing all this. And please, before we continue, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, like, comment, share my videos. I'm just really now seriously wanting to make this channel grow. I have now like 122 views. I know it's not much for other people, but for me it's a lot, and I appreciate so many of those people out there have been following me, have been watching my videos. I appreciate so much. Thank you so much. I'm not the kind of a person that I always make myself like I have to be beautiful in the camera. Sometimes as you, even you can watch some of my videos, I'm just like the way, you know, no makeup, no nothing. So I don't have to force myself every time to do some makeup to be on the camera. No, my last video, like, I had just this make sure you watch it. I had this I was making a preview about my shopping haul on Wally. I don't know if you people know. I think some of you know what Wally is. It's a website where you can buy stuff. And yeah, and this is the way I bought this nice handbag, which I really love a lot. It's looking really amazing. It's really looking amazing. I love it. Fashionable. I mean, it looks expensive. It wasn't expensive. I can't remember, but I think like when it wasn't like 23 euro maybe, I guess so. And when more, not more than 30. So it's very beautiful and it's very nice. I love it. I have some, if you want to watch what I all bought in Wally, please make sure you watch my past video. It's just the last video before this, which I made. And I mean, settings, you know, settings, just share with people what makes you happy. I mean, what you have. I mean, I've been sewing a lot. I sew this long gloves. I saw them, so I've been wanting to make some photo shoot with it, but I have done some. You can check me on Instagram at SCStatesy. And yeah, I mean, most of the stuff I almost everything what I have on my Instagram, it's self-made. I do sew myself, and that's where I just make those I shoot those photos, and I put all those stuff on Instagram wearing them. Even the jackets, winter jackets or something, I always sew them myself, and I really love what I do. I just do it on my own pace, how I like it. This is my room. I have some room tour video as well on my channel. You have to just go back and watch all those stuff. So this is I think, I don't know what I should, but I want to encourage everybody, please, if you have something interesting, instead of just watching videos down and up and thinking, oh, what can I do, just start right now. You start. All you can see that are people following. I never thought anybody want to follow me for real, but people have followed me, and they're still following me, and I really appreciate that. I can't just imagine. I didn't imagine that was because I thought people are just talking, because I don't know how they do it, that they get a lot of views. I appreciate even if I get one person subscribing to my channel a day. I appreciate, because it's one person, it's adding to another person, and it's so crazy. I was just thinking, why didn't I do that? I was so afraid to say, oh, what will people think about me? What will they say? I used to be an actress since I was small. From kindergarten, I started acting, recycling poems in front of big crowd, and I didn't know why I shouldn't have. Why was I kind of shy, kind of on just talking to a camera by myself? It was crazy, but I thought to myself, hell no, why not just talk? Less people, whoever will listen to you, they will listen to you, and those who won't, well, not everybody will like you. So yeah, That's when I just put my moods together, my everything, and I just decided, okay, it's time for you girl to start talking on camera and just share your ideas and share what you like to let the world see you, let the people know that you exist, and that can happen to you. Let's show people that you exist, you know. I mean, instead of just being depressed somewhere, just talk to people. I mean, there will be people out there listening to you and they're not judging you, because after this COVID hit so bad, there are a lot of people, they are really depressed out there, and everybody has a phone. Everybody. I don't really use a camera. I don't have a camera. I always use my phone, because the camera I had, it was, I just feel like it's not really that camera I want to take my picture with. But with your phone, you can make photos everywhere you are. I make photos when I'm outside, because I'm with my phone always. And I mean, I don't have any other setting of lights or something. I'm just using my room lights, where I have the table for my sewing, this tube light. This is why it's really showing really nice, because down here I am, my sewing room is on the cellar, and the windows are too small, so I have to use these lights. So but still I have this nice light here, which makes really, right, like now you can see, you can see me really nicely. The light is so good that it's perfect. You don't have to have so many equipments to start or something. You don't have to do that. You just have to have just you are, everybody has a I mean, everybody has a phone nowadays. iPhone, Android phone. I have an Android phone, which is um Samsung. And I mean, this is the phone I use to do all my videos. I take all my photos, and I am so happy. I don't have to have somebody to do it. I go out, I just have a like a selfie stick with the stand I take my photos with, and I also have a tripod. When it sometimes I carry, it's big, but sometimes I carry it when I want to take really some good photos out there. So I take this tripod. I have a car, so I put everything in my car. I take my tripod, I go take some photos, and I come back and sort out and just put them on my Instagram and all this. So don't hesitate to start your channel. It's because that, oh, I don't have money to do this, you don't need no money. You just need your phone. Set it. You can just even staple some books on top and just set your phone over there. You have a natural light outside. If you have a big window, for me, I feel comfortable doing all this on my sewing room when like I'm talking or something down here, or when I'm out. I don't mind nowadays. You know, people will look at you like, huh, whom is she talking to? What is she doing? You know, people be looking crazy, but who care? I mean, you know, you're minding your own business. You're doing your thing. You know where you want to go, and where is this taking it? You taking it serious? You're gonna achieve something. So make sure you start now, like I did. And now I have to 120. Please, people, please, I beg you, please subscribe to my channel. I will be so glad to grow this. I wish I have a big wish, a wish that I reach 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers this before the end of this year. I wish that I do that. Subscribe. Beta sub. Beta is please, please, please. Tafadhali in Swahili. Tafadhali. Subscribe to my channel. I would like to have 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, which is not long. I hope I will reach there. And also, I would love to have 4,000 watch time or something. Please make sure you watch my videos. I know they are not perfect. They are not perfect. Nobody's perfect. I'm just learning every day more and more, and this would mean really much to me. So for this short talk today, I thank you so much for listening to me, for watching my video, for coming by. It wasn't anything like I'm showing you how to we don't have to be sewing every day or cooking every day. At least to just talk, and just somebody will listen to you. Maybe somebody will learn something from what I've been talking, and maybe somebody has got this encouragement now to to go and start their channels.